Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing the topic of size and appearance. Macaws and cockatoos are two examples of birds that exhibit distinct characteristics in terms of size and appearance. First, let's talk about macaws. These beautiful birds are generally larger than cockatoos and can weigh up to 10 kilograms. With their long, elegant tails and vibrant plumage, macaws are absolutely captivating. They belong to the family Procellariidae and are found in various regions around the world, such as Central and South America. Some common species include the golden macaw, Amazon macaw, and flamingo's macaw. On the other hand, cockatoos are smaller than macaws, with a body length of approximately 16 to 22 inches and a weight of approximately 4 to 7 kilograms. They have a distinctive appearance, with a short, stocky build and a distinctive crest on their heads. Cockatoos belong to the family Psittacidae and are native to Australia and New Guinea. Some common species include the Blue Cockatoo, Leatherback Cockatoo, and Fischer's cockatoo. In terms of appearance, macaws stand out with their luxurious plumage, which is often bright and shimmering. This not only enhances their appearance, but also helps them blend in with their natural surroundings. On the other hand, cockatoos have a more simplistic appearance, with their coloring typically leaning towards grays and browns. In conclusion, macaws and cockatoos are two unique birds, with distinct characteristics in terms of size and appearance. Macaws are larger and more vibrantly plumaged, while cockatoos are smaller and have a more simplistic appearance. Both species are incredibly beautiful and are loved by many for their captivating appearance and distinctive callbacks.